been so busy at Christmas that we had to do a run and get milk.
A Santa and a snowman.
Since it's Christmas Day, the only place open was Safeway.
This place is open 24 hours and it's super expensive. The milk was $8 a gallon.
It was, but needs must. Everybody right now is really loving these lattes we're doing, so it is what it is.
Well, we got Danish and chocolates for the team that are working today. We're gonna get some more stuff for them.
Yeah. What's in the bag?
Well, you're so nice because you got lunch for everybody. This is Hannah's way of giving love to the crew. Look at this. Everyone's getting Christmas bento boxes.
Yeah. I just got chicken because I don't know what people
I want
like.
to eat this myself. This looks good too.
Oh yeah.
Okay. You're so sweet. Let's go give this.
All the people and the lights.
Look at the Christmas tree. Merry Christmas. Have you seen Hannah's phone case? Look at this. Straight up, David gave her this. And then she goes around town holding this like this.
It's because I just forget it, that like it's on there. It's not a fire though.
I know. So inappropriate, huh? It's a beautiful day, but no one that is local in Hawaii likes to be in Waikiki for this reason. Look at that. There's more people than there is sand over there. Do you see that?
I got a present from the UK. Only how many days late?
I don't know. Way past Merry Christmas. You want me to open it?
No, I'm gonna open it. It's my
Okay,
present.
I'll record you opening it. Okay, what is the first thing?
Some of this I already know because this I asked her to put in there because this isn't new. My brother got this for me ages ago.
Oh.
But I left it in the UK, so I just asked her if she's gonna like post something to post this to me too.
Okay, next.
It's manifesting candles. Oh, we need to get something to put them in so we can manifest our dreams. Protection. The best crisps in the world.
We gotta try that later.
I
Sensations.
Thai sweet chili, they're the best that's ever existed. I think she's basically just filled this with shit from home, like all my favorite.
Oh, you could get these at the Delta airplanes.
Yeah, and then Malteser.
Ooh.
Reindeers.
Thanks, Mom.
Love hearts. These have like little messages on them. And then shrimp and banana.
Shrimp banana.
Like, it's candy, but these are my favorite.
Okay.
And then she got me this.
What is that?
Alice in Wonderland was my favorite story in the world. And then this is teas.
Oh, you love your British teas.
I don't know if these are British.
Alice in Wonderland's British.
Alice in Wonderland's British. I used to, one of the towns I grew up in was where Lewis Carroll was from, kind of. He lived there for a while. It's called Warrington.
Thanks for the Christmas gifts, Mom. We are at F45. Woo! Thanks for Kamaka here. I saw him post this and I was like, I want to go and feel some ice cubes. There's ice cubes here.
Yeah, I eat them sometimes.
We're gonna shower, get all nice and get all of our. This is gonna be my second shower, but you know, I just want to get all the sweat off because I just walked over here.
Second shower of the week.
Of the week. Yeah, I usually don't shower. I use the ocean.
Oh,
And then
don't
we got-
encourage that.
And we got the hot stuff over there.
So usually you go 3 rounds. So 10 minutes in the sauna,
Okay.
3 minutes in the ice bath. That's what's recommended for the best results.
Okay.
So I usually go 3, 10, 3, 10, but we don't have to go 3 rounds. We can just see how
Okay.
however much.
Whatever.
we go. Play it by the vibes.
Woo! It's hot.
Okay, a little longer.
Okay. I gotta rinse and then I
I'll
gotta.
watch you suffer from inside.
Alright.
That's real sexy.
This is how I shower.
Get in that butt crack, baby.
Alright. I'm done. Okay, yeah, it's 3 and then I go to start.
Yeah,
Okay.
you get in and start it.
Ready?
Yeah.
Shamalama ding dong! Whoa! Whoa! Start already! Ah!
Do a quick dunk.
All the way under.
Over your nose.
Woo! Ah! Wipe out!
Breathe, breathe, breathe.
It's cold!
Yeah, that's the point, baby.
Anna, don't laugh too much because you're next.
Look at those clenched fists. Where'd your penis go, baby?
It's got inverted into my system! How's it feeling?
Beautiful. It's like a British summer. I
Does
honestly
it
don't know
hurt?
what you were complaining about. This is fine. I'm toasty, I'm chilling. My voice is breaking.
Alright, we got the expert here. Going in. Oh, he goes in like nothing! Too easy!
Too easy.
Too freaking
It's a
easy!
wine morning.
I know. Oh, with the head dunk and everything. I'm all overreacting here. You got too used to it.
Yep.
Okay, we're deleting this footage, man.
Both of you look fantastic.
Cal is in.
Yep, that's how.
This is my buddy Daniel's company, the Birdo Club.
Yeah,
He's into golf. If you're into golf, the Birdo Club. This is a pretty cool hat.
it is. You look good. We're gonna go to the farmers market
Let's go.
because we're a couple and it's the weekend, and this is what couples do on the weekend.
Should I wear my Birkenstock or my flip-flops, Scots?
We also really need to get a shoe rack.
This is the Kakaako Farers Market. It used to be here where I did the Katsu Sando video. But then now they moved it over here.
Look at all these people. I really wasn't expecting it to be this busy.
Yeah, she was doubting it the whole time. She was like, there's not gonna be any people.
What are these guys selling? We gotta go to the other side before we make decisions.
We have to go the other side.
Because we might see something better than what we've seen.
Yeah, before we fill up our bellies with the first thing we see.
Yep.
This is actually where we came for the trolley tour. Do you remember?
Oh, yeah.
It was right here. But they got these lunch trucks all set up. I think it's a great place. It's a really good place.
Dark chocolate, guys. This features a dark African chocolate from Madagascar. It's been melange for about 5 days straight. This also
Good.
features a peaberry Kona coffee from Big Island. It sells for $92 a pound, guys.
Wow, look at that.
You're gonna have to feed me. Look at this.
You know, this place is so exciting and I'm just like, what should I bring over here? Because I want to experiment, but I don't know what. If you're living out here and you do want to see me open up some other concept, let me know in the comments below.
I didn't wrap any of the Christmas gifts, so now we're gonna do all of this in the car on the way to dinner.
Last minute people.
It's Christmas time. Well, it's not. It's like 4 days after Christmas.
But we all come bearing gifts.
And we're how late?
15 minutes, 20 minutes, no, 15 minutes late.
I don't even know how we managed that. Tadashi, our favorite sushi. She's pregnant.
If you have, if not, I'll just kind of keep order. I thought you eat everything too, Jen. Yeah.
I want to eat it. It looks like it.
I think it's just us three then, huh?
Enjoy.
More for us.
Yum.
You could get delicious salad. Look at that. Feel this? There's so many.
This is the best sushi in Hawaii.
Yeah. Take whatever you guys want to eat, I'll eat the rest.
Yeah, we always feast.
But there's no space over there.
Take one each.